lot of people don't get it. God and nature need to be big parts of everyone's life. People need to talk to God. People need to go out into nature more. People need to appreciate God more. People need to love God. They need to accept Jesus into their hearts. Please, repent, for the kingdom of heaven is at hand. And it's terrible that social media now is promoting bad behavior, bad lifestyle choices, partying, drinking, adult content. They need to start promoting Christian content. But now on TikTok, because I'm on TikTok, it's being banned, and videos are taken down, even just for even mentioning Jesus and mentioning Christian topics. Like, it's really messed up. I just don't get it. I really don't. Just the whole system and society is against God. And I just hope more people realize that. It's just kind of sad where society is heading. I just wanted to make this introduction video to my YouTube channel, Philosophical Chris on YouTube. And I just wanted to rant about, how social media now is just promoting bad content. And I want to spread positivity. I want to create good content for to kind of alter people's lifestyles. And if you want to see that type of content, then please feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And yeah, I'll make some philosophy-based videos, some Christian-centered videos, like some videos centered on like Christian topics. That's mainly what I'll do. And sometimes I'll make some nature content as well. So yeah, I'm gonna start posting on here more often. I posted a couple of videos already, but they're just some like TikToks I already posted on my TikTok. But anyways, guys, thank you for watching, and God bless you. Have a good day, and peace out.